Hi Raj, how are
Hi,
you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing totally fine. I heard that you wanted to do something. You called me up and you said that you wanted to do something creative and things like that. So,
Yeah, I was thinking why not switch sides? And I had a concept called KYH, that is, know your host.
know your host. So,
We have been knowing you as the host of Talk It Out with Clins for long, and so why not know you more?
मतलब मैं जॉब छोड़ दूँ?
ये बड़ी अच्छी बात कही आप।
So today I'll be interviewing you.
Okay, you're going to take an interview of me.
Yeah,
मैं क्या करूं फिर जॉब छोड़ दूं?
Sound pretty interesting.
hopefully.
Yeah.
So, how did you come up with the Crossbite Productions?
Okay, so you want to know about Crossbite Productions. Crossbite Productions actually, the initial idea was nowhere Crossbite Productions. It was more like टॉक इट आउट विद क्लिन्स को थोड़ा सा और वीडियोस का ज़रूरत है, टॉक इट आउट विद क्लिन्स को और एक टीम का ज़रूरत है जो और भी आर्टिस्ट लेकर आए, जो और भी क्रिएटिव लोगों को साथ में लेकर आए. एंड वो टॉक इट आउट विद क्लिन्स को सपोर्ट करने के लिए बेसिकली क्रॉसबाइट प्रोडक्शंस इनिशिएट हुआ था. सो देन it happened, it's almost like 1 year. So when Talk It Out with Clint started, I actually had no equipments. It was more like रात को बैठ के मैं टाइम पास करते बैठ रहा हूँ, चिल मार रहा हूँ और अपने इंस्टाग्राम पे नॉर्मल वीडियोस पोस्ट करते रहता. सो आई हैड अ टैलेंट इन माई वॉइस. So
I know that.
so that's how I started Talk It Out with Lins, and then some of my close friends came up with this idea of, why not go have some good equipments and things like that. Why not go live on it? So I said, let's try that thing out, and that's how Talk It Out with Lins started. So once we started doing this thing, we did not have a place. So we had another political party's office, which was not at use at that particular time because of the lockdown. So we did our shoots and everything at that particular place, and there I came across with a couple of good artists, a couple of good people. Namely, there is Jalp Khot, Raj Malde. He's a really nice guy. He came there to be like a kid, small baby. Came there से अंकल मेरे को साउंड इंजीनियरिंग सिखा था. I said, yeah, चलेगा मेरा bye. So that's the initial phase of Talk It Out with Lins, bridging towards or going towards Crossbite production. So if I have a production team entirely within myself, why not expand it, why not grow it and get on board to something that we do on a corporate basis as well? Because financially speaking, Talk It Out with Lens was more about you know building people, empowering people, getting or taking interviews of people who are successful, who have done something or the other in their life, but in that process you're not getting paid something. So to help that finance structure once again back again in action, I had to come up with something hardcore. I had to come up with something good that the people working in the team continue their work and also get paid for the same thing. So that's how Crossbite Productions was born.
Yeah, it's quite good that you have got support from your friends. Yeah, because कुछ लोग होते हैं बोलते हैं क्या है ये, सिर्फ सपने देखते रहता है, कुछ करेगा नहीं. So supportive friends are necessary, and I'm glad you have got them.
See, I would honestly like to say that it's really important that you utilize your time in dreaming. Night time is especially for dreaming. Dream. Once you wake up, once you finish, make the dreams into reality. Change that dreams into reality, and that's something that, before going to sleep I used to do this random voice sessions on my Instagram. My friends would like it, and things just once you put your efforts into getting that dream into reality, automatically the things around it starts to change and get things like I never thought that one of my talk show would be such a great hit, and it is just one episode that we put out about with a transgender that went really great, and that was all of a sudden featured on Brute India as well. So it's a great achievement. So it's all overnight ये सब कुछ नहीं हुआ. It's just the hard work, it's just the efforts that you put in to get these dreams into reality.
That's nice. So tell me something about your childhood. How was you when you were a kid?
When I was a kid, well, that question, if you put it right here, I was called as, you know, बहुत सारे बच्चे लोग का स्कूल में ये नाम रहता है, the most talkative kid, talkative kid. अपने दोस्तों के सामने
I'm quite opposite.
And you want to be the host of Talk It Out with Clint, seriously?
I'm trying something new. Oh, by the way, it's Talk It Out with Raj, not Talk It Out with Cleanse. For today at least.
फ्रेंचाइजी के पैसे लगेंगे.
पगार में से काट लेना.
So during my okay, there is one more employee sitting behind the camera and laughing. भाई साहब पगार नहीं मिला है हमको.
क्या?
Oh boy.
Okay,
So,
coming back
to
the
the discussion. My childhood was quite not so wow interesting. Average kid, 60% in my 10th. Had changed 2 different schools because my mom thought that I might get failed in Marathi subject. So I changed the school. Then
It's
after
okay,
that,
I still can't read Marathi.
so that was one thing. And after that, in my college days, I used to spend a lot of time with my friends actually. You know, they were I never went to college that very frequently, and I bunked most of the classes. But the subjects that I had interest in, I would meet those lecturers and gain knowledge about that particular topic. Like for example, I had the theory part of physics and chemistry. I never understood them, but I have a good reputation with the lab assistant at that particular college, and I used to come up with some crazy ideas, sit and have long conversations with my lab assistant, ये चीज़ें कैसे करते हैं ये चीज़. It's just pure curiosity that you have to explore. And after that, a while later, I spent most of because I bunked college and most of it, so I tried really hard to get a good job here and there. So my dad was like, no, you don't need to do a fixed job or something that like that. Do something that you really have interest in. But your college days are that time when you actually don't know what your interest is, so you keep trying different things. I used to be a teacher in a school. I used to do many odd jobs, working at different places. So after that, I got this job of a sound designer in a studio. So I was really interested in music, how the way that sounds are designed in a theater, the sounds are designed in a movie. So had little bit interest towards doing that, and that's how I got a little bit of knowledge about sound designing, sound creating. I did not like music composition. People often mix up music composition and sound designing. So that's how slowly I got into short films and documentaries. Once I got into that stage, I really wanted. So this curiosity is always there to explore new things. This curiosity is always there to try, give yourself into that something that you want to learn, something that you want to just decode, something that you want to just get to the core of it. That's always there inside me. And that's how I got into short films and documentaries. I really love the cinematographic style. I met, when I was working for short films at the location, I met so many directors, I met so many actors who are really great artists. And, I thought that my family might have thought that this was the worst decision that they made, that to leave me on myself. बट एक्चुअली क्योंकि वो साउंड का जो स्टूडियो में था उतना ज़्यादा अच्छा पगार भी नहीं था, सैलरी नहीं है. बट इन दैट कोर्स ऑफ टाइम आई मेट people who I could learn much more different things, and that you know, that feeds my curiosity. So I met many directors, I met many graphic designers, I met many editors, learning new things, learning different kinds of things, actors, what is a discipline acting, not very mainstream acting, how can you act differently. And the reputation that I made in that particular field helped me to build a core in my own company called as our own company called as Crossbite Productions. I'm so sorry, I'm so used to say this thing, yeah, it's my company. When I make a call to a client or something, I always use this term, but yeah, now I feel that yeah, it's not just me, it's a team effort that comes across Crossbite.
That's nice. So Clins, आजकल मोटिवेशन कुछ ज़्यादा ही इम्पोर्टेंट हो गया है. लाइक पीपल यूजुअली गेट डिस्ट्रैक्टेड. लाइक कुछ भी करना रहेगा लोगों को, लोग बोलते हैं शी यार मोटिवेशन नहीं है मेरे को जिम जाने का मोटिवेशन नहीं है. अगर मेरे को जिम जाना रहेगा तो, अगर मेरे को बाहर खेलने जाना है तो यार कुछ मोटिवेशन चाहिए मेरे को. सो तेरे को क्या मोटिवेट करता?
What motivates me to success?
Yeah, to run Crossbite or to follow your dreams, anything. What motivates you?
What motivates me? Definite answer. Everyday failures actually motivate me to go. You know, like I said, dream is really important, and that dream is my goals. Your goals is the thing that keeps you motivated. Now, when I see my goal, I see myself in a very good place, in a very successful place. Okay, and everyday failures that I come across is what actually motivates me to getting closer to that dream. Like आज आया, मैं ऑफिस में आया, आज एक पर्सन जिसने आएगा करके इंटरव्यू के लिए बोल के रखा था, वो पर्सन नहीं आया. बट नेक्स्ट डे आई विल मेक श्योर दैट देयर इज़ अनदर टैलेंटेड पर्सन हु कम्स इन द ऑफिस. द नेक्स्ट डे वी विल मेक श्योर दैट यू नो उनको जिनको टाइम दे के रखा हुआ है, दैट पर्सन डजंट क्विट, और दैट पर्सन, उनके साथ में बात करने का तरीका चेंज हो जाएगा. हाउ टू हैंडल माई क्लाइंट्स इन अ बेटर वे. सो it's all just you know, eliminating the percentage of failures. So first thing that we all need to understand is that whenever you're doing something, there are plenty of failures. Like the road to your destination is entirely just failures. Face every failure so that you learn something new out of it and tackle that and just get across it.
So I know failure sucks, but I've seen you just calm, like you don't react to like suppose आज cancel हो गया है तो ठीक है, cancel हो गया है आज, कल करेंगे. So that's quite good attitude. क्योंकि मैं मेरे साथ अगर ऐसा होता है तो I'm pissed. To be honest, I'm pissed. I'll be silent.
Okay.
वो तो मैं usually रहता है, but तो so it's nice. Actually, it's nice. Like I've seen you many times. Like बहुत बड़ा दिल वाला है, वो तो है. सब जानते हैं वो.
ये तारीफ था कि टोन था?
जो आपको अच्छा लगे. No. Honestly, बहुत अच्छा है. Like I've known him from 6 months now, I guess. 6 months से हम लोग साथ में. और मैं भी कैसे joined हुआ Crossbite was like मेरा friend का friend है ये.
Yeah, a very close friend of mine. Yeah. उसका friend के reference मिला था मुझे.
Yeah, I was making YouTube videos और मेरा sound quality, to be honest, अच्छा नहीं था. So he was like, meet this guy. He's a sound engineer. And I was like, रहेगा कोई अच्छा बड़ा बंदा, because DP में he was looking quite old, to be honest. I like रहेगा कोई अंकल जैसा बंदा. And after 2 or 3 times that guy told me to meet him. मैं बोला ठीक है चल मिल तो लेते हैं आज, बिकॉज आई वॉज बोर्ड टू बी ऑनेस्ट. लॉकडाउन में घर बैठे बैठे मैं बोर हो गया था.
Seriously.
And that's how I met him, and I've learned a lot from him. Yeah, I have one funny question.
Yeah.
Like we both have beards now.
Yeah.
बच्चे अंकल बोलते हैं यार. How do you react?
इसका आंसर मेरे को नहीं है, मालूम नहीं, पता नहीं. अंकल बोलते हैं. इनफैक्ट द पर्सन हु इंट्रोड्यूस्ड यू टू मी, जिसके थ्रू हम दोनों का एक्चुअली फर्स्ट टाइम मिले थे, दैट पर्सन, उसके साथ में भी यही सीन हो गया था. आई जस्ट वॉज लुकिंग आउट फॉर अ सिनेमाटोग्राफर हु वॉज रियली गुड फोटोग्राफर. सो वन ऑफ माई अनदर फ्रेंड गेव this guy my number and he's like, Clins, yeah, this is Clins. Sir, can I meet you? Can I have an interview? Like, I got your number from so and so guy and I would like to meet you. I would like to. So, when can I meet you, sir? We can meet somewhere at around this. सर वर बोल रहा है, कुछ ज़्यादा इज्जत हो गया ये तो मेरे लिए. एंड दैट्स हाउ 2-3 कॉल कॉन्वर्सेशन के बाद में वी मेट एट अ प्लेस एंड आफ्टर दैट ही इज़ लाइक वी आर रियली गुड फ्रेंड्स राइट नाउ. ही इज़ एक्चुअली डूइंग गुड. ही हैज़ हिज ओन स्टार्टअप, another company that's into productions as well. So I mean it's good things. I mean in life, future also, there might be a place where you have really good friends who are probably doing that same thing that you are doing, but you need to understand this very one thing, that the talent that you have, the potential that you yourself have, just focus on that. People sitting right next to you might be doing that same thing, but keep your focus really high, keep your standards really good. And after my work hours in Crossbite, I actually sometimes when I'm free, if I just want to chill, I would meet that guy, have a good conversation, learn new things. Probably that's not the right attitude to cut off from people who are doing the same thing. That's probably the biggest mistake that you would be actually doing, because when I'm into productions, I might not get to know about new technologies or the new market strategies that are going outside. So to keep yourself really informed, to keep yourself really in the game, you need to interact with people who are actually in the same business. That's really important advice that I would like to give out to people. Do not cut off from people who are doing the same thing. Networking is the most important thing. Networking with people who are like-minded. That's what I have been doing even before Talk It Out with Clins. There are a good couple of photographers, couple of cinematographers that I know, because I used to love what I do, and all these people are doing something because they love that thing. And once you unite or connect with people who love doing whatever they are doing, it already whenever you want to get out for an approach, or you have more knowledge about things, no one outside the market can fool you around. Like for example, if a client tells me कि भाई साहब ये तो इतने में होता है, then the honest answer would be ठीक है कर लो कोई बात नहीं.
So like I have been working here from 6 months, and I would ask you one simple question: how much discipline should be maintained while working in a chill environment?
Well, a very good question, because I know where this question is originating from. He looks right into my eyes and asks me that questions that he cannot ask me as a part of Crossbite. So he has to become the show host and ask me such questions. See,
I'm smart. Good
now,
content.
The answer to this right question is, yeah, you're a content writer. So the answer to your question is, it's really important to have a disciplined lifestyle, which I do not have. That is what he wanted to get out of me.
I'm undisciplined as well.
Yeah, so the yes, you need to have a discipline in your life to, and the discipline will automatically come when you have your goals set. Like uh, you hustle all day long and have something or the other. When you wake up, first of all, it is just dreams. Like I said, everything is summing up to that one simple concept, that night time when you sleep, it's the time that you dream. You wake up, you have things to do when you wake up. It's not just household chores that you need to do, it's more than that. Get out of that bed, go and meet people that can get your work done, go and meet people to show your talent, go and meet people who can actually get you across somewhere. Wake up, you get to a place where there is a good Wi-Fi connection, get to a place who can write good content for you, get to that place where people can teach you new things. Get up and go. That's probably not called as work, but once you have this get this habit of going and meeting people outside who can actually help you, that is going to help you get into a disciplined lifestyle. Now my disciplined lifestyle was waking up at 10 o'clock, and after 10 o'clock reaching my studio, that or short film company, which was in Andheri, at around 1:30. So there till 4 o'clock it was just mainly looking at the things that is there in front of me. After 4 o'clock, that's the time when artists used to come to the studio, people used to come take me for location recording when the shoot starts. So, and that would end sometimes at late night, 2 o'clock. So I've seen days when I used to sleep in he's one of Bollywood's greatest musicians. I was there designing his studio, every walls of it. I have done I and my chief engineer, thank you so much, he gave me this opportunity. So we used to sit together and design the studio walls. There was glass fiber, glass wool. For soundproofing we use glass wool, and even a piece of the glass wool, if it gets into your body, it starts itching, and once you start itching, it gets really red and burning. I used to sleep in that studio filled with glass wool. So hard days when I used to go to studio. Like I said, sometimes I was talking to you about some things that घर से कभी कभी pressure आता है. तो I've had days when my salary was stopped for a lot of time because there was no projects coming in and I wasn't getting paid. And so I used to ask my mom for some money. Sometimes I had to ask for friends to actually help me out. मेरे को station तक छोड़ देगा क्या? That stage I still continued. I feel that if I quit that time, and when I remember those days, actually, there is one more incident that I would like to share. In my previous office, it's a studio. So there used to be an office boy called as Kaju. उसको Kaju करके बुलाते थे. राजेश नाम है उसका, but he's so those days I did not carry tiffin. I used to ask help from my friends to drop me to the station because I did not have much of cash in my hand to travel. बस से बेसिक जो ट्रांसपोर्ट है उससे ही करना. सो I did not carry a tiffin, and while leaving from that office, this Kaju used to make really good cold coffee and things like that. While leaving, he would ask me to wait for him to shut down the entire office. उसका काम था ऑफिस बंद करके निकलना. बाकी सारे लोग भी निकल के जाते थे, बट दैट ऑफिस बॉय जो अटेंडेंट रहता है लोगों को चाय कॉफ़ी पिला, he used to ask me, sir 2 minute रुकना, sir 2 minute रुकना. And the reason that he asked me to wait is that he knows I haven't had anything since morning. तो जाने के टाइम पे, सर आज एक वड़ा पाव खिलाओ ना, सर आज एक समोसा खिलाओ ना, बोल बोल के मेरे को ज़िद कर कर के ना, मैं पैसे बचाने की कोशिश करता था और वो ज़िद कर कर के मेरे को ऐसे ठेले के पास में लेके जाता था. उधर जाने के बाद में फिर बाद में बोलता था, अरे सर आप पैसा मत दो, मैं देता हूँ. सो ही एक्चुअली सॉ मी हासिल, और पूरा दिन में मेरे चीफ इंजीनियर के ताने गालियाँ बैठ के जो गलतियाँ कर रहा हूँ, ये सब कुछ सीखा. उसके बाद में भी ही यूज्ड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि भाई भूखा है, इसको खाना खिलाओ पहले. सो देन
rich by heart, not by money.
Yeah, totally,
Best
totally
example.
agree. Yeah, these kind of people are the people who are actually rich by heart, and that actually taught a lot of things in my life. That it's not really important to have a degree. It's not really important to have a certification of uh, the things that you are really curious and you want to do. I mean, the world is so connected because of internet and things like that, that you can just whatever you have interest in, like for example, it's if it's cinematography, you put out your work out there with really talented people. There are so many websites that actually promote your work, that help you. Yes, it is a huge crowd out there trying to get their value out there. Once you get into that crowd, you will be a part of that crowd. At least once you are a part of that crowd, they will find who is more talented, who uh, you know, you might not be that talented कि उन लोग तेरे को ऑस्कर दे दे, बट वंस यू आर एटलीस्ट है, यू आर एन ऑस्कर नॉमिनेटेड आर्टिस्ट एटलीस्ट. So it's just, and not necessarily कि हर Oscar winning actor is the best actor ever. It is just pure talent that I might like blue color for a reason, or but that doesn't mean I hate black color. I like blue, that means I like blue, yeah. But उसका मतलब ये नहीं कि हर किसी को black पसंद है तो वो black ही general सबसे best color है. नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. It is just pure talent that you have, and you need to understand this really nice.
So thank you, sir, for coming to your show.
That's hello. Let me do this thing. Let me do this part. I know how to wrap up. I am the real host of this show.
बेटा तुमसे ना हो पाएगा.
Okay, I'll show you how to.
Okay, sir.
It's such a great-
I'll grant you your access.
It's such a great moment. It's such a great pleasure to have you on this beautiful show called as Talk It Out with Clins. Thank you so much, Mr. Raj, to be on the beautiful set of Crossbite Productions. Thank you so much, Crossbite Productions, for this beautiful talk show with a very good guest. And see you again until next time.
Okay, just one error.
Talk it out.
It was
with
Talk
Clins.
It Out
Talk
with
it out
Raj.
with Clins.
Today
Talk it
was
out with
Talk It Out
Clins.
with
Today,
Raj.
Talk It Out with Clins. नाम नहीं चेंज होगा. नाम चेंज करने की जरूरत नहीं है.
अच्छा.
Yes.
खत्म. बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय, गया.
कैसा लगा मेरा मजाक?
मैंने कट किया.
हाँ चलिए.
मेरे को एक बताओ पहले, कब से मेरे को ये हो रहा है, वो लाइन्स आते मतलब वो शुरू ही है ना, ग्रिड लाइन्स था.
नहीं, ग्रिड लाइन सारा मतलब शुरू नहीं है. ऊपर ना लाल कलर का एक डॉट है ना, ब्लिंक करते रहता है, उसमें तेरे को पता चलेगा.
किधर?
अभी स्क्रीन के ऊपर तूने कट किया है कि चालू किया? अभी तूने एक्चुअली चालू किया.
अभी कट किया क्या?
नहीं.
People can actually see the progress in the field that you are into, in the field that you are investing your lot of it. So at the initial stage, तेरे को खाली पानी आया. How was my childhood? I think I answered this question. How was my childhood? Childhood was pretty nice.
Okay, चलो थोड़ा पर्सनल जाते हैं अभी. एक गोरा चिट्टा दिखने वाला बंदा. कितनी लड़कियां मरी थी.
Cut. I did not sign for this.
ऐसे बोल दिया.
क्या पास बोलेगा वो?
अरे बाप रे, ये तो धोती खोल रहा है.
हफ्ते भर का तेरे को इंटरव्यू बना के चालू करके रखना पड़ेगा. 24/7 a week.
अंकल आपने आपके जवानी में कितने रंग उड़ाए हैं?
रिकॉर्ड चालू करना.
This is all recorded.
Okay.
By the way, audio सब record हो रहा है.
चलेगा, जो किया है तुमने वही आएगा.
गजब बेइज्जती भैया.